Elris Cedeno is set to go down against Tunde William. Elris Cedeno having a record of 13:01, and he's 6 foot tall, 76.4 inches of reach. Defeated Luis Eduardo Flores, Abel Mina, Moises Tovar, Art Schwarz, Dermedes Potes, Antonio Todd. The guy is killer be killed, and I love watching him. William and Tunde on the other side has nasty counters. Camerones was born in Abidjan, Ivory Coast, but lives in Ireland, trains hard. He got outsmarted by Jose Miguel Borrego and Troy Isley, but he destroyed Richard Bañuelos. Zel Villegas, Dromedas Potes. This guy has a lot of power, but also great counters, great footwork. He can turn this into a technical war. And this is a 10 round fight, but I see it over 6.5. This is gonna be hard to call, Tundi is training with elite level boxers on the other side. Cedeno has never backed down in front of the fight. I expect a technical war though. Maybe Cedeno decision, but gonna be hard.